Don't mind us, just walking through some rice fields on our way to WARUNG to get some food.
Hello.
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 Haven't made a new friend. And the cops are coming for her. Alright, stop by WAYAN'S WARUNG, get some food. We wanted a cold beer. A nice lady hopped on her motorbike, is going to get us cold beer. Some service if I don't say so.
Yeah, and this place had like over what 300 or 400 like 5-star reviews. So food should be pretty good.
What did you get there?
Garlic bread and little nuts. Those are so tasty.
I say.
Good morning, guys. We are here at the Goa Gojah Temple. It's really special. We're actually the only people here right now, which is really exciting. We have a big day ahead of us. We're starting here at the temple. We're going to visit a coffee plantation, volcano, and the rice terraces as well. So we'll take you along on a tour of the temple. All right, so what you're seeing behind me here is actually the remnants of a temple that was discovered back in the 1920s.
Yeah.
Right? So they excavated it. We don't know exactly how old it is, but they've kind of placed all the pieces of the temple right over here so that you can view it. It's very beautiful, and it's protected by these beautiful flowers. And now we'll head out to check out some more. Alright, and this area that you see behind us here is actually where you come to like kind of cleanse and purify yourself before you enter into the cave for meditation. So the men cleanse themselves here, and the women cleanse themselves here.
Sitting for meditation. Lucky as well. Okay, here we can see also the remain of the Dwarapala or statue of guardian, and we still consider this is holy. That's why people still keep putting the offering. Okay, and then look here, so many caves for sitting for meditation. Yeah, this is why this temple is dedicated for the god Ganesh, because they found like statue of Ganesha. Ganesha is like a god of knowledge, and his shape is like a half human with the elephant face.
Yes.
With the trunk. He's a symbol of the wise and knowledge as well.
So what you're actually seeing right behind me here is the remnants of a Buddha statue that used to be up on this cliff like thousands of years ago. Nobody knows how old it is, but at one point an earthquake or something knocked it all down. It's wild. You can see like down on the other side the top of the Buddha's crown, and it's just beautiful.
figure out which way we go now.
I guess we go that way because we can't go this way. So the rice terraces were beautiful, but we actually had a problem like getting down to walk on the rice terraces. So you basically just have a bunch of these cafes, and then you have to like pay an entrance fee to go down, and then they have like swings and different little setups where you can take pictures, but we couldn't figure out how to actually walk in the rice terraces. So after spending too much money on entrance fees, we left. And then we walked around Ubud Center for a little while and went into some shops, and then we stopped and got a beer and then went home. That was pretty much the rest of our day.
Yep.
It's a pretty fun day. We'll leave the information for our driver and our new friend Katut. We'll leave it down in the description box below. So if you ever come to Bali, you can reach out to him, and he'll treat you like family.
Yeah, he's awesome. All right, we'll see you later.
Bye. Subscribe.